go even louder? That's it. Because so long as you're using spider leg fingers, you can go as loud as you want. When you play the piano, you can go really loud. It's not being bad. The only thing that's bad is if you're using your hands like that. So long as you've got spider legs. So should we stand up and see how loud you can roar on the piano? That's it. So the harder you hit the piano, the louder it goes.
And tonight Harrison has a tarantula is as big as a page.
Oh no, that's good.
And it's so hairy.
And the tarantula is quite quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
So should we be a tarantula? And then you crawl on the piano. That's it. That's really good. Keep your spider legs. Good. Excellent. Brilliant. So
Cheese.
Edgar, left hand is Mr. Bass.
can you show Mummy what that means? Which one's your left hand? Yeah. So he sings the low notes. Oh, he's already on to like lesson 2 already. He's so good. What's that note called, Edgar?
C.
So you're finding all the C's by finding the groups of 2 black notes first, and then playing C. Excellent. And then do you want to count all the C's for us?
One.
Do you want to play more? Actually, we counted 8 before. Do you want to see if you can find 8? There's one even lower than that one. Can you see it? Right at the bottom. There's one note on its own, one black note on its own, really low down. Low with Mr. Bass. Do you remember Mr. Bass sings the low notes because he's a man? Mr. Bass?
I just need to toy with.
Oh. Do you want to show us?
Number 1, bum.
So do you want to teach Mum and Daddy to do it?
Number 2, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.
And then what you can do is you can play a game because it can be quite hard to wiggle some of your fingers without the other ones wiggling.
Number 2 hand on right.
Number 2 finger on your right is that one, I think? Is that right?
I think it's this one. Which one is correct, Edgar?
Which one is it?
No,
Right.
which one? Who's doing the right one? Is it Auntie Anne or me? Actually, we're doing the same one, aren't we?
Yeah.
So then we're right, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Did I get it wrong?
It's hard to tell when you're looking at us this way.
Oh, yeah.
Which one's our
This
way.
part
Mm-hmm.
is right. And this part is left.
At the moment, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So would you like to play us a piece of music that is, would you like to choose an animal and play us a piece of music that sounds like that animal? And then we can all choose animals for you.
First, I'll do people.
Okay, that's a good idea.
First, I'm starting with Daddy.
Let me help you with your chair, Edgar.
Actually, you could do it standing up if you like.
Oh, do you want to stand up? Okay, I'll take the chair away.
Which hand is Mr. Bass? So which hand's... That's it. Clever.
And
So
this is
Daddy's...
Mrs. Treble.
Yeah.
And this is the man. This is the lady.
Very good.
Is
So
that
what's
Daddy?
Daddy saying?
Say hello.
Great. What else could Daddy say? Could Daddy say something a bit longer?
Hello, I love you, maybe?
Oh, hello again, and I love you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Who's this?
Mummy.
What's
So-
Mummy going to say?
Hello, I love you. So shall we have family cuddle?
Sound like
That's great. What about Chloe? What does Chloe sound like?
What I can do is laughing.
Go on then. Do a laughing sound on the piano
And
for me.
she's very loud laughing, so I have to be on Mr. Bass
Okay.
and Mrs. Zibble.
What is that,
Lots of
Chloe?
laughing.
Oh my goodness, she's
Who
pretty
else?
loud.
What about Enamel? What would Enamel sound like on the piano?
He'll be even louder.
Great. Do you want to show us? You know how to play loud notes now too.
Wow. Yeah, that's
What about Grandma? What does Grandma sound like, darling? What does Grandma say when she hasn't seen you in a long time? She sees you, she says, hello, Edgar. When she's so excited, how does she sound? Very nice.
That's nice. And that was nice and gentle. So can you show us the shortest notes you can play? Because you learned how to play really fast notes, didn't you? The short notes. That's it. Can you do short notes with Mr. Bass Sound as well? Very good. And what about really long notes? That's so good.
What I can do in one note.
Go on then.
Okay. Here, on Mr. Bass House, he can do even louder.
Yeah, that's true, because the strings are longer and fatter.
Still lost and still don't.
That was such a long note. Amazing. Well, it was a long chord. So Edgar, you showed us how to find C. Can you remember how to find F? Can you remember how to do the 3 black notes and then F? And then F. Good. That's really good. I don't think I've ever known anyone do it immediately on their first time. Just do that last one again.
Why?
Just do it once more, because you just went 1 note to the left. That's perfect. Well done. Oh, just do that one again. That's really good. Well done. You knew. Great. Now, add up all the Fs. Because remember, there were 8 Cs, and how many Fs are there? Can you add them all up? One, 2, good.
3,
3,
4,
very good.
5,
5,
6, 7.
excellent. That's really,
Take a
really
bow,
good.
take a bow, take a
after your play, do a big bow.
That was really good. You didn't do a whole song, but you did show you really have learned many things about the piano, so I really do think you deserve an applause.
So many things.
So now I will do a lion.
Ooh, a lion, a scary lion.
Yes.
Show us your big roar on the piano.
I don't know about this.
You might have to.
That's a big line.
Well, I was going to say you might have to get your hands ready by your ears.
Edgar, what does a pigeon sound like?
Oh, interesting.
I just don't know.
It's kind of in the middle, really.
Yeah, it's sort of in the middle, sort of not loud, not quiet, just sort of a bit annoying.
Kind of
That's a dove.
a bit.
There is no biological distinction.
It's a bit.
It's like one's piece and
Dry.
one's annoying.
I mean, a bit loud and a bit quiet.
Oh, who's playing crazy today?
So in the middle, maybe somewhere?
Pigeon.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Show us your pigeon. I'm not sure what I would do, but I think you could have a go, because you're clever. That's good.
Yeah.
That's really good, actually. I like that. What about if you were a frog? Can you do some hopping?
Or some floating.
Yeah.
And this one is really loud.
Go on then.
Is that a baby frog?
That's good. And then how about the frog hopping?
This is this is how parts when you dance.
Very good.
It was like jumping in the rain, wasn't it? Very good.
Would you like to do anything else? How about making up a piece of music that sounds like going swimming? Because you went swimming this morning, didn't you?
This will be me walking to swimming.
What?
Daddy, I'm going to run to school.
Okay.
Are we going to run to school?
So I'm going to run to swimming.
Okay.
And what did you have to do with your fingers?
Spider.
Spider-like fingers, yeah. That's really good, Edgar.
Edgar, can you show me the C? Can you show me one C?
Show Daddy how to find C on the piano.
Yeah. What about F? Very good, Edgar.
That's really clever, well done.
Congratulations to a wonderful teacher. Thank you.
Yay!